At a walk in the park, dog daycare isn't about filling time. It's about creating experiences. Every month, we design a new story-driven adventure, giving dogs an environment where their senses, instincts, and emotions are fully engaged. These aren't just activities, they're opportunities for dogs to grow, to relax, to thrive. For this chapter of the Great August Expeditions, our campers stepped into Pawcorn Theater, a camp cinema designed just for dogs. The room was transformed with soft lighting, a gentle starry glow, cozy mats to settle on, and a concession stand of snuffle-box popcorn tubs and slow-roll treat cups. On the screen, the dogs could see themselves playing with their friends and engaging in enrichment activities in a montage of the last 6 months at the ranch. The whole scene resembled an open-air movie screening under a starry sky. In Pawcorn Theater, every dog chose their own way to enjoy the experience. Some curled up on mats beside friends. Others wandered from concession stand to aisle, foraging through popcorn tubs and puzzle props. No pressure, no commands, just freedom to settle, sniff, and explore at their own pace. When dogs are free to explore at their own pace, tension melts into curiosity and scattered energy settles into calm. Our staff gently supported those moments. A pause, a soft sigh, a dog relaxing into the space. Because those quiet victories are where real growth happens. Why is this enriching? Because enrichment isn't just about excitement, it's about balance. Pawcorn Theater supported arousal regulation with predictable routines, soft sound, and dim light. It built confidence and agency by letting dogs choose their seat, their snack, and their pace. It channeled natural foraging instincts in creative ways, while also strengthening calm focus skills in a novel setting. In the story of the Great August Expeditions, Pawcorn Theater was a midweek intermission, a chance for campers to pause, explore, and recharge under the glow of the stars. In real life, it was something even more important, a breakthrough in how we care for dogs. At a walk in the park, we don't just give dogs a place to play. We create adventures that honor their nature, strengthen their confidence, and help them leave better than they arrived. Because every dog deserves not just a day of care, but a day of discovery.